Hey guys, it's Lou here. Wait, let me show them. Right, so there's Cody. We are at the park, and guess what we have just seen? And you won't believe it.
It was flapping its wings, Lois.
Well, I need to run over there. We found a bird. We found a bird. Can I film it?
Just watch, because it moved suddenly when we were like, guys, be quiet.
There's the bird.
And it opened it. As far as it could.
Try not make the camera bubble.
So,
I'm just trying to make.
can someone hold it?
Me.
Right, Alfie, you can speak.
Hey guys, shh.
Right, so Alfie, you hold it.
Because I think it's trying to get you to sleep to get rid of the pain.
Right, so what we have just found a bird. We don't know what to do with it. My mum's coming over soon.
We might have to keep it in our house.
Yeah, we will.
No, you won't.
Yeah.
Yes, we will.
They kept one in the garden.
Did it swoop past your face?
Yes. It just went zooming right past my face.
Alfie, film me.
So you were standing
Alfie,
Guys, don't bang on the ground.
right, let Cody hold it now. Right, so film at the bird, Cody. That is the bird. Boom.
It's cold.
It's breathing.
Guys, Mum's not coming.
She is in this minute.
She is breathing, but
If you look,
Show them on top of where it's.
yeah, look. See that school at the very top? They swooped down and then just went right past Alfie's face. He's right in front of you. I'm filming you, Alfie. Hello.
Shh, guys.
And then see,
I think it's sleeping.
you can see it moving.
oh, it's not
Breathing.
true.
And this is Nicole.
Sorry, I am a YouTuber, so I'm a mess. Every video I film, I'm nice. But I'm ready, but...
Okay. See, we can see Lewis's one, not yet.
Show it's his leg.
Hey guys, go and get my mum.
No, we've tried. Your
Hey,
mum's coming in a second.
Yeah.
Alfie, just hold
How
it.
long has it been on the floor?
Alfie, you're
About 10 minutes.
Can you see it? Right, let me film it. Right, so I'm filming now. I don't know if my mum's coming or not. Say hi to Nicole. Say hi.
No.
Oh.
Check out my YouTube channel.
Like bows!
Yeah.
Guys, oh my god, it's going to be scared of cars.
Please subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, if we move it around to the front of the school, it won't be scared. In the private garden.
Which one of you done that?
I know it was my shoe. It was my shoe rubbing together.
I think it's sleeping now to get rid of the pain.
It's sleeping.
Shh, guys. Where's Cody listening?
Let me zoom in. See Cody. Nope.
I bet you in freezing because she'll be screaming, so I'll have to tell her to be quiet.
No,
So
Maisie
I
won't come.
Did you see how it fell? Like
Yeah,
hurt?
it went like
zooming
that.
right down.
So it just went like that.
Yeah.
It went bam in.
Yeah,
it
but
went
what
bam
did it hit
in.
off of the
Yeah, so we've
It
found.
went. It hit off the concrete, then rolled into here.
What did it hit?
It hit the concrete first.
What did it hit?
It-
What part of its body?
It hit the back. It hit his back. No, listen. It hit his back, swooped in front of Alfie's face and landed on his back. Yeah. So
Nicole, he landed on the concrete, rolled over here, like, under his back.
yeah. So we found a bird. Here's Cody. This camera. Don't know if you can see Cody over there. Can you?
It's a baby seagull.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Your mum said.
No, remember that seagulls that were at the front of the school? There's baby seagulls.
Yes.
It was. No, it's not. My mum will know.
She said it's a baby seagull.
It
She's
looks
not saw it though. No, baby. Sorry. Baby seagulls are about that size.
That's not that big, that size.
No, because I saw there were two around there the other day.
that doesn't look nowhere like a BBC.
It's not. My mum. She's not even saw it yet. So.
Cody, say hi.
I'll do this.
Say hi to the YouTubers. Hi. No, I just did that a minute ago. That was my role.
That was my role.
Guys, shh, be quiet.
That was my role.
I will film now.
Yo,
No, it's
Cody
me.
will film. Wait, I'm filming in a minute.
Okay. So, there's the bird.
Cody, what did my mum say?
It's a baby seagull.
not.
It's a big brown fluffy thing.
Yeah, it's grey though.
Shush. I was down in Garmouth. I found a baby seagull down near Holly May's house.
Yeah, there was 2 seagulls around there. Lauren tried to catch one, but there were seagulls protecting
Holly May
them.
doesn't live in Garmouth. She lives down there.
Holly May, our class.
Yeah, I know which Holly May you're on about. She
Liz?
lives down there in the lower car. Yeah. What?
I think we
What time is it?
50.
5 minutes, Cody.
5.
There you go.
Guys, should I try rolling it over?
No, don't.
No, because his back sore.
Could you imagine it was 50
Hey,
minutes?
guys, be quiet.
5 minutes.
Guys, we've got to be quiet.
Just roll over now.
Cody.
Watch this.
Wait, no, it's my shot. Wait, no, I want to show Cody. Cody, film my neck.
Guys!
Film my neck.
Right, I'm going to tell my mum that it's not baby seagull. Don't whack it. Okay?
We won't. Right, Cody, film it again.
Someone just gently do that to its
Alfie, no,
wings.
film it.
okay?
Film it.
Don't do it hard, okay?
Hello, suckers. Alfie, you're covering the camera. Look, it's the wrong way
I
round.
got it.
It's the wrong way round.
Hey,
There we go.
see me stroking
Hello.
it? Alfie, film me. I'm stroking it.
She's getting involved now. We need to get more people. We need to get as much people as we can.
Alright, Mum's coming. My mum's coming. Are you filming
now
it?
don't touch it.
Alright, okay. So we are Alfie. I can't see. Yeah, so basically this video was just gonna be filming that bird, but it's so special.
But next video will probably be Minecraft. Oh,
Alfie.
yes, Lauren's mum. Lauren's mum, Maisie.
No, not Maisie. No, she's
Yeah.
just gonna scream. I know.
Oh, Nicole's still here.
Alright, so we're gonna end the video here.
Bye.
Boys, suckers, like pals. Go.
Did it.
Go. No,